What is up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So we are going to do the unboxing of Sharp. This is 2 GB 32 GB ROM.
That's right, yeah.
Yep.
With
So
auto Android and CarPlay it has.
and this is a wireless Android
Wireless CarPlay with wired auto Android.
Auto. Okay. So let's get the unboxing started.
So we'll do the unboxing. If you see here, it's a 2 GB 32 GB with auto Android and CarPlay. Plus it's a 10-inch system. So there we go. It's a big screen. This comes with a warranty card as well. It has 1 year warranty. So here we go. So this is how it comes. It has a serial number, and if you see on the system as well, there will be a serial number. So this is the screen. If you see, okay, we have mic, we have reset option, then power button, then home, then return to previous menu, volume plus minus, increase decrease volume, and if you see this screen is glossy. It comes with pretty decent thing, 10-inch. And then at the rear end, if you see, it has got this 2 GB 32 GB serial number, Sharp warranty. If this has been tampered, then the warranty will go off. It has with CarPlay. If you see from a connector standpoint, this is a connector where power goes in, speaker connection output goes from here. This is basically for camera, and then these two are for USB. And if you have an additional for few systems, you have a CAN bus, and from the CAN bus for steering control, this is a connector which comes in. And here you have again for aux in, audio out to connect to amplifier, which comes from a subwoofer, microphone. All of those connections comes here. So let's go and check the cables that comes along with this one. Yeah, inside the box. So if you see here, this is the camera cable which comes in. This is to connect aftermarket cable. We have a GPS device here which gets connected. This is basically from a Google Maps and all to identify your current location.
Okay, so does this come with a system? GPS?
Yeah, this is part of a system.
Okay.
And then we have USB. Two cables comes in. So one would be used for charging, one would be used for mirror link and all this stuff. And another, if you see, this is the cable that I was talking about. So likewise here we have a subwoofer output, video out, microphone, aux in, and then you have video one more in. So likewise this cable is used for connecting to system. Now just put this back.
Is there anything else inside the box?
No, that's
don't
it.
think so.
Yeah,
Alright.
that's it. It's all covered.
Okay. So now we will boot the Sharp system and see how
Right.
it
So
performs.
let me just keep this warranty card and put the packing here. So this is where we connect. So here we have power connection, speaker for steering, all of those connection we have. All right, here we go. The system has started booting up. It has Android 10 OS running on it.
So you have an option to change the boot logo as well. So in case you guys want to change the boot logo,
Yeah.
you have
So
factory
see the
settings for
boot. It has come so quick. It hardly took few seconds for us. And on the screen, if you see, we have this. It shows the time, date, and all of those. And then this is an audio player. This we have navigation icon. Then for DVR recording, phone connection, then music, then radio, and then the Bluetooth. Yeah. So we have this.
That's done.
That's done.
till
Okay, got it,
Bluetooth is
got it.
done.
So if you go to applications, we have aux, we have BT music, then car info, car setting, browser, equalizer. This is what is DSP related. Okay, you see the audio. We can set it in such a way that you see ultra bass, bass, medium bass, median, middle, triple, and then ultra triple. So whatever you see here is it's actually the finger touch it is. So if you see here, this is how you can decrease the settings from here, right? This improves the quality, and based on the user we can set whatever the output is required.
One sec.
Yeah, and then you have preset settings like popular, rock. Standard is where everything is flat. Then custom, where you can make changes. So likewise we have all of this where you can change the audio. Jazz we have, classic we have. All of these settings you can change. Now going on to this one, you can see sometimes what will happen is in the wiring, engineer might change positive, negative polarity. So you can just by clicking one click you can change the polarity also of that particular speaker, and see if that can be fixed on the fly without having the wires swapped and changed. Then going back to the seat position, you can move the positions from front to left to right, and then other rear, front, left to right. All these options are there. Okay, now yeah, and that's how you can set the music based on your requirement. Applications, as we discussed earlier, file browser, you can connect the USB, and then you can click on file explore, and then see the response is fast actually. So you go to videos. I'm sorry, I didn't click it properly. Okay, so you can play the videos. Right. See, the resolution is also very good. Depending on the video clarity, we can get to know. Yeah, and then if you go to the music, same way, like you see your SD card, similarly you will find USB card here. You can click on that like this, and then you can browse and play whatever you want, and you can also do a copy paste as well from there. Now Google Maps, Chrome browser we can go to the browser.
So all these applications require internet, which we are currently not connected to. So
Yeah, that's true. We have to connect. It's very easy. You just have to go click on the wireless, and then click on this one. So I'll go click on connect button. There you go, and it's connected. It's so fast. It's so quick, right? So I go back to Chrome, and let me type in. This is an agreement that we have to agree, and then type in anything that you needed.
So this is basically like using your tablet. Yep, and as you can see, the response is pretty fast.
Yeah. So let me exit out of this. So other application like music we have, you go to the music, click on the music button, and then the audio will start. And for example, you want to change the audio location, you can again do that as well. So you have an option where you can go folder wise, select the song, and then you play it, right?
Yep, but currently due to copyright, we are not going to play the music.
Yeah, true, right. And Netflix we have, Play Store we have, that needs a login.
So basically, you can install any application that is available in your Play Store. It is like using your phone, if I'm not wrong.
That is
right?
true, yes.
Okay.
And then the video which we played earlier. So this is the movie that we had a sample here. And then the wallpapers you have, where you can change the wallpapers, for example. And that's it.
Like as you can see, the wallpaper that's changed.
That's got
And if I'm
changed.
not wrong, there's something to change the UI as well, but
No, that option is not here.
Okay, not
we may have to download it from the internet.
okay.
And then the YouTube, again you have to log in.
But we are just showing you the response time of
Yeah.
the application.
Correct. So then Z-Link is where we connect to CarPlay at Auto Android. So this is the different versions that we have here installed.
So as you can see, the system supports wireless CarPlay, wireless wired CarPlay and also
This
Android
system
Auto.
supports wireless CarPlay and wired
Android Auto and CarPlay.
yeah. So you just have to select this. And yeah, there you go. So it
Yep.
just took few seconds for us to connect to this one, and yeah, you can play from there.
So basically, whatever you want to do while driving, like
Right.
main thing would be the maps, obviously. So map is
Yeah.
what pops up first in Android Auto.
So I check for
And this is super fast and responsive
Yeah,
compared
so-
to the regular maps that you will be using in the Android system.
so Google Maps. If you see, it's coming from the Auto Android feature, and then you can also play audio
बंधन
from
सोन
the
पापड़ी और काजू कतली नहीं हैप्पी लो नट्स
yeah, you can play that as well. Now if you have to, you see here the other applications like phone, maps, telegram, all the apps and all will
Head east on K Narayanapura Main Road, then you will arrive at your destination.
yeah, so all of these you can actually control from here, and you have Google Assistants as well. Hi Google, please call Shahid.
Is that Mohammed Shahid CCTV or Shahid Son?
Shahid's son.
Calling Shahid Son.
And I guess the call is going, so you'll have to disconnect.
Yeah, and I'm getting a call actually. I'm actually dialing up, so I'll hang up for now. Yeah, so the call got disconnected now. So likewise, you can control all of this to the voice and all. A very easy and fast and quick response it has. So this is what we have features. Oh, I'm sorry. I think I have to just disconnect this and do an exit from here. Yeah, there you go.
So we are back at the home
Back to
screen.
the home screen,
And that's
Then if you see here, whatever applications we had open, you see all are running in the background. You can in fact clear them, all of them. Yeah.
that's
And
for
it-
home screen.
Yeah.
This is to go back.
The previous menu and all of those. Yeah. So pretty decent system we have.
Basically, it's just your
All in one pack.
Android phone.
Android phone. Correct.
I guess that is it.
Yep. So please reach out to me for pricing about all the models, because every day it would vary. There would be a minor difference in the price. So please call me at 99456 Jeffy would leave the contact in the link as well. You can reach out to me.
I'll put the number in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. Do subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more such videos.
Yes, please subscribe.
Until
also.
next time.
Thank you.